Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to open an ETRADE account. First thing I want you to do is come to the top right, click on open an account, then you choose your account type. So either brokerage account, right, bank account, retirement account, any one that you want, hit continue. Then you enter your contact information right here, hit continue, fill in your address, okay, hit continue again. Now here is the identity verification section. So they will go ahead and collect this information and they'll use it later to verify identity. So make sure it's accurate. Your date of birth and put in your social security number or your ITIN. Hit continue. Choose your occupation from right here from this drop down. Hit continue. And now here's the investment profile. Okay. So what is the investment objective of this account? Select from this drop down. Say it's growth. Choose your annual income. Your liquid net worth. Choose that as well. Your total net worth, your investment experience as well. So if you're wondering what your total net worth is, basically it includes all your investable assets, plus the value of any homes, real estate, businesses, workplace retirement plans, minus any debt, of course. So you choose your investment experience, your marital status as well, and you can go ahead and add these as well if you want. Okay, it's up to you. You can also add futures trading if you want, but for this you need to choose add margin trading, then hit continue once you've chosen. These are some regulatory questions you have to answer, and then you just provide the account basics. So where will the assets to the fund come from? Okay, what's the purpose? Now these things are required by law, that's why they're asking you these. Just comply with them. Hit continue once you choose the correct answers. And then you can come here, just, select your uninvested cash management option, whatever you want. If you have a promo code, you enter that. Review the agreements. Okay, toggle these on. Hit continue. And then you just create your user ID and your password. Hit submit. You're done. Okay? If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.